Hi, my name is Afeez. I am a senior software engineer working at Microsoft on Minecraft Education Edition, and currently my job is to enable content creators to build experiences within Minecraft. And this includes adults all the way down to children. So if you're in Minecraft right now and you're building worlds, you're building experiences, some of my code might have impacted that ability. One of the first things I did when I joined the team is add some additional code and functionality for our code builder. So basically the code builder is an in-game web view, you can call it. It has some IDEs, which are just basically text editors that you can use to write some code. And when you write that code, it controls a robot within the game that we call the agent. Now, you could build things in the game yourself, you can mine for things in the game yourself, or you can get clever with it and you can write some code and have this robot do it for you. Let me explain to you a little bit more about what this text editor is really used for. So here at Minecraft, we actually write code. There are a variety of languages, just like in the real world, people speak a variety of languages. And we are typically using C++, but we'll use this to build a game that enables you to build a game. Sounds kind of funny, right? But we create tools and resources you can use and systems in the game that you can use to actually build, say, a structure in the game. You can build a building, we'll create the blocks. Right, and we'll write the logic that enables you to move the blocks around in this virtual world and build out this wall or build out this building. So you can do that manually in the game, but what we've enabled you to do is kind of what we do, right? We've let you start writing code of your own in the editor, whether you're using block code or you're using Python or JavaScript, and potentially some additional languages in the future, and you can write that code and use it to create experiences in the world, to create buildings, and to change the color of your character's clothes, etc. You know, just like we do. So we're basically making you the developer of your own game within our game. So I actually think back to my childhood. My dad's an architect, so I always wanted to be an architect. I would go to the job sites with him, and I felt structures were really cool. I've always been good at math. It was my favorite subject growing up. And then I realized once I got to my senior year in high school that I can't draw to save my life and I needed a portfolio. So I said, okay, you know what? Maybe I should go into civil engineering. I went into civil engineering. It utilized my math skills, a little bit of the physics as well. I had the opportunity to take an elective in college and I took it on C programming. And that was probably the best thing that I've done because I realized that this was what I really wanted to do. And I'm a big problem solver. And I think about just solving problems in general, even in my daily life. And programming is all about that. So I was very excited about programming. And what I realized during that time is the importance of networking as well. Because I knew what I wanted to do now, and now it was about getting there. So I started networking, connecting with folks, and I was able to land a job at Microsoft after my senior year in college. And once I got there, I realized, yeah, I'm a programmer, but it's not just about sitting behind a desk and writing code all day. Soft skills are huge. I'm interacting with people from all types of disciplines. Now, in this space, at Minecraft, for example, you have programmers, but you also have artists. Right? You have people creating these 3D models. You have storytellers, right? You have like Minecraft Dungeons, for example, and you might have somebody writing the storyline behind that actual game. So there's just so much that you can go into within the space, within the tech space, even if you feel like programming isn't exactly what I want to do. You can build levels out in the game. You can come up with the concept art or the character art for the game. There's just, the opportunities are endless, to be honest. So a lot of people think that programming's not for them, but the truth is it's for everybody. There's just so much that you can do within this space, and we honestly are in need of people with all types of backgrounds. So if there's something that you see and you're interested in it in this space, please pursue it because we are desperately in need of your expertise.